Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In this very tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get any other address on Bitmart, whether it is BTC, Ethereum or other coins like Sol. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. With that said, let's jump into the video. So once you're on Bitmart, you come on assets here. Then you click on overview. So once you are here, you will click on deposit. So here we go. Please select the coin that you want to deposit. So you have USDT, BTC, Ethereum and other coins that you select, but majorly let us select BTC. So once you've selected the coin, then you're going to select the network. Ensure that the network you choose to deposit matches the withdraw assets might be lost. Here you can select BTC or BTC and Lightning, but for us we can use BTC. So once you select the network, of course they will give you the deposit address. So if you want to use it, you come here. Maybe you can scan it or you can copy it from here. So alternatively, still the same other coins that you would like to get addresses on Bitmart, still let us select maybe USDT. Select USDT, then you select the network. We have a lot of networks that we can use in transferring USDT. So for us, let us use ERC20. So this is the address that you can use transfer your USDT. So another way, maybe you can select Ethereum. So after selecting Ethereum, you select still the network, any network that you select, but make sure that it matches. So let us use this one because this one means Ethereum also. So this is the network that you're going to use. So that's how you can get all the addresses in that format on Bitmart. Hope you have enjoyed this video guys. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Bye for today. Good luck.